Why does every solar power installation should have battery storage? Battery storage offers numerous benefits for solar power installations, energy independence. Battery storage allows solar users to store excess energy generated during the day for use during the night or when the sun isn't shining, reducing reliance on the grid. Grid stability. By storing excess solar energy, batteries can help stabilize the grid by reducing peak demand and providing power during outages or periods of high demand. Cost savings. With batteries, solar users can maximize self-consumption of their solar energy, reducing the need to purchase electricity from the grid, which can lead to significant cost savings over time. Time of use optimization. Battery storage enables users to optimize energy usage by storing electricity when rates are low and using it when rates are high, further enhancing cost savings. Environmental benefits. By maximizing self-consumption and reducing reliance on the grid, solar installations with battery storage can further decrease greenhouse gas emissions associated with electricity generation. Resilience. In areas prone to power outages, battery storage provides backup power, ensuring continuous electricity supply even during emergencies or natural disasters. Future-proofing. As electricity grids evolve and incorporate more renewable energy sources, having battery storage integrated with solar installations can future-proof systems and ensure adaptability to changing energy landscapes. In summary, battery storage enhances the reliability, efficiency, and environmental benefits of solar power installations, making it a valuable addition for both individual users and the broader energy system.